Hello, my name is Ken Lewicki and I'm the founder of channelinginc.com. Welcome to my website, and what I would like to tell you today is about the introductory channeling workshop. This is a ton of fun. It's really introductory, but really you can learn lots no matter what level you're at. If you're brand new to spirituality, you've never done this before, perfect, you're in the right place. If you've been doing this for years and you think you're really advanced, I can guarantee there's going to be some things in this class that you're going to learn. What I'm going to be doing is taking you through a really powerful exercise on teaching you how to channel your spirit guides, probably more intimately and deeper than you've ever done before. It's really cool, it's really fun, it's in a really relaxed, chill, fun environment. And then what we'll do is, after that, I'm going to take you through another exercise on how to channel another spirit guide, because what am I doing? I'm trying to get you to be able to discern the difference between which guides you're communicating with and how they're communicating with, what's different from each one of them, and the messages that they want to give you. These are really, really fun exercises. A lot of good information about who your spirit guides are and how they're here to help you and assist you. So if you would like to register, just go ahead to the bottom of this page and you choose your payment method, whichever way you want to pay. Just go ahead and click on whichever way works for you. And my name is Ken Lewicki, and I'll see you in the workshop.